Alright guys, so like my wife said, you know, it's been a long time since our last video and we had a lot of things change since that last video. We've added to our family, we've changed our location and done a lot of crazy things, and yeah, as you can see, we've even already done a lot more to the bus, but in this video we wanted to catch you up on all of that.
Yes, we're so excited to share with you that we have added a few pets to our family in the last couple of months. We actually have a new puppy and we have a few kitties.
Yeah, by new puppy, she's already huge. No, we got, the kids have been asking, ever since we got back to the US from Mexico, the kids have been wanting a dog, and this dog that we got, she actually, everything just happened to work out right and we were able to get her. Her name is Jen, J-Y-N, for all you Star Wars fans out there. And she is a German Shepherd. She's got kind of like a grayish look to her. As you can see, we'll put some videos in. And yeah, she just fits right into our family. She's just such a family dog. She loves being around us. She loves being in the car and in the bus. And speaking of being in the bus, we took our first big bus ride, and we left the Rio Grande Valley, and we are now currently in Hallettsville for the time being. My in-laws live here in Hallettsville, and they were gracious enough to allow us to park the bus outside of their home so we can do some work on it, because we were not able to stay at my parents' home any longer. Actually, nobody was. So we ended up leaving the valley earlier than we had planned, but we were able to find a location here and do some work on the bus, and so that's what we're doing.
Yeah, we're very excited. We have brought all of our stuff back with us. This is actually not what a bus looked like when we got here. We had furniture and boxes and boxes and boxes, but we were able to find a storage place and we're storing our stuff there for now. And we're gonna finish working on our bus, and we just can't wait to share with you guys all the building and the fixing and everything else we're working on right now.
Yeah, we've had so much stuff going on. It's kind of hard to get our mind wrapped around where to go and what to say for the video.
It's hard to put everything together in one video, trying to explain to you guys what we've been doing for the last weeks and all the changes, because like my husband said, we had to move out and we only had a few weeks to pack and have everything ready, and it was crazy and it was overwhelming and it was frustrating. Yeah. But we got it out, we got our stuff out, and we drove to my parents. It was the first time we drove. My husband drove the bus, and then it was the first time for me to drive by myself with all the children for such a long distance. So it was scary and it was fun. We had experiences along the way. But we're here and we're very happy to be here and moving forward. Yeah,
we've actually been here a little over a week, and so we're just kind of settling in right now, and so we decided, you know what, we really need to get a video made and update everyone. Speaking of my wife's talking about driving, we actually picked up a 2006 Jeep Commander, something we were looking for specifically. Because we were wanting a vehicle to have with the Jeep, with the bus, and it is an older vehicle, but it's the only three-row Jeep that's out there right now, and with 6 of us plus a dog, for sure, and you know, we needed something with more seating, but it's great because it has the V8 engine, it's a 4.7 V8, and it has the 4x4, and so that's things we're specifically looking for as well. And it just turned out to be a really cool blue color that we liked, and we enjoy the color. So Jeep, dog, new location,
kitties.
Kitties.
And speaking of kitties, our cat delivered 4 kitties March 23rd. And it was a scary delivery, but she made it through. And 4 days ago, we finally decided that it was time for her to get fixed, and she got fixed. So right now she's doing recovery. She's doing great. She's still wanting to breastfeed her babies, which she's not supposed to, but she's very, very stubborn. We were putting the kitties away, and then she will sneak in, or the kitties will sneak out, and they just want to be with their mama. And
she's always been a very good mother cat.
So we're just praying for recovery, full recovery, and we're just very thankful we were able to fix her, and we don't have to worry about future babies. As much as we love them, I think we have enough for now.
But yeah, so that's where we're at. You know, I'll be honest, I'm kind of one-track minded, so when I get busy on a project, I don't even think about recording, and we're trying to get the kids a little more involved in actually doing the videotaping part of it. Our oldest ones especially are a little more interested in that, and so we're going to try to get them involved in that kind of stuff. Because when I'm working on a project, I'm not thinking about making a video. And we're finally getting to the point where we can start doing projects where the whole family's in the bus. It's so dirty and nasty removing like the old insulation that was up here and all that stuff. My kids take after me and get really bad allergies, so I haven't wanted anybody else in the bus for that reason. But most of that stuff's gone now. Once I get the heater out, all the really nasty, dirty stuff's probably done for the most part. And after that, we'll start doing the building projects, and everybody will get involved in that.
Yep. Not me. I'm kidding. I'll hope.
But yeah, we're actually on a tight schedule now. We have a lot that we want to get done in a short amount of time, because we have some big plans for the summer, and Lord willing, everything will come together in the end. It usually kind of works out that way for us, after a lot of stress and worry and hair pulling, and so we'll see how that goes. But we just want you guys to keep up with us on the videos. We hope you enjoy watching our videos, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe.
And sorry, you want to say it?
No.
You say it. Don't forget to click the bell so you'll be notified next time we post a new video.
Yeah, and comment. We love to hear from you guys. The interaction. Sometimes your comments make it easier for us to want to do videos, because it reminds us that people are actually watching the video.
So let us know what type of videos or what type of content you would like to see from us. We would love to hear if you have any ideas or just anything special you would like to see. Let us know. Put it down below.
Yep, let us know. We really want to hear from you guys. But thanks for watching the video, and sorry that it's been so long since our last one, and we promise to try to get at least one out a week, you know, maybe more. It's gonna be very random. We'll be honest, it's gonna be very random. We may get like 5 out in 1 week and 1 out in another, who knows. But we're gonna keep you guys up to date, and we promise to be better at this. So thank you guys for watching.
Thank you.
And stay tuned for the next one.
Bye.
Bye.